Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here for an entry for Lisa's Goss, well, it's Happycrafter Lisa Goss. She is having a 1500 Subbie giveaway on her channel, challenge rather, and she's asking people to make a Memorydex card. You know, 4x4. You don't have to hole punch it. If you don't have a hole punch, she can do that for you. So she just wants somebody, you know, to be creative and send in whatever they make in their style. You have to have 2 layers and 2 elements on your Memorydex card. And she's also, if you want to, you can also do a video response and or Instagram response and a 4x6. And she tells you on her channel what she wants on the back of the Memorydex and what she wants on the back of the 4x6 card. So the 4x6 is called an IC or ICAD, index card or index card a day. They used to call them index card a day because they used to do challenges where you had to make one each day. But whatever you call it, it's 4x6, and you can make one of those as well, 2 elements. So she has a really, really nice prize package, and even open up for international. She has a lot of the We Are Memory Keepers stuff, the DIY party stuff that you could use, the boards and everything. So great in the LOL collection. So really, really nice prize. I'm not entering it for the prize because I honestly have those items, and I know a lot of people, you know, don't have them or can't afford them. So I really do have all of those items. So I am not participating in that part. I'm just entering it because I really want to, you know, just enter her challenge and support her channel. She's known for making a lot of travelers notebooks and things like that. But anyway, so I just show you real quick what I made. I made a little Memorydex card, and I used some bling, some Stella, and some gold thread under there, and fussy cut everything out and inked everything with vintage photo. And then for my 4x6, I did the same thing. Same girl, different elements. But I don't know if you can see, like the scissors and the hello had the Stella on it. She has the bling heart earrings. And it's some gold thread back here as well, and the paper piece and different layers in the background of the paper as well, like a collage. So that is my 4x6, and I love making 4x6. It's a handmade one anyway, so it was kind of fun making this one. And then I just made a couple cards that came from the paper cut apart, and this one says A Girl's Guide to Planning, and these are actually a 3x4. So, and they have blank on the inside. Everything's inked with vintage photo. And this one says you can't buy happiness, but you can buy planners, which is pretty much the same thing. And I figured she could use these cards because she does a lot of planners, and she can just send these out when she's, you know, sending out a planner. And then it says P is for planner. So I also made the little envelopes and the tape for that, so she can use those in a hurry. So anyway, that's going to be my submission and whatever other goodies I throw in there. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and check out her channel. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye. And I dare you to be creative.